Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the Catalytic Converter Heater on Mercedes GLC first generation. Please do not waste money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The Catalytic Converter Heater, guys, fuses, relays, come to show you where you can expect to find them. Everything's quite hidden now. We'll talk about that. What we guys need to do, we need to open the hood, and most people will know that right here under that cover is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. But that's not what we need, guys. If you come right here, you see where your positive jump starter terminal is located. If you open that, remove that trim cover here, the positive jump starter terminal is part of a pre-fuse box, and the back side of it looks just like this one here, with multiple wires and cables coming out of that thing. But guys, okay, when you open that thing, you have two different designs. Okay, one of them will look like this, and you will need to check fuse number 12, which is right here. Fuse number 12 will need to be checked. The other design, but since you're already here, test all the fuses, because other fuses may be causing problem too. If you have that design, there is limited information about that, but test each of the fuses as well. If you have that design, it's very likely that it's actually controlled by the engine computer and not a fuse. Okay, but always test the fuses there, because people will waste a lot of money not checking these mega fuses. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.